iOS 14.5 has just been announced, and Apple has opened up their FindMy network to third parties. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's episode, iOS 14.5 Beta 7 and the lack of AirTags. Why haven't we seen AirTags? John Prosser, Ming Chico, everybody, all the top leakers, they all said AirTags are coming. Will there be an April event? Will they be announced? Well, maybe. Maybe Apple doesn't want to announce them just yet. Maybe Apple wants to build out the infrastructure so they work perfectly when they arrive. What I mean by that, the way these AirTags work is it's Bluetooth connectivity with your phone and to other devices. Now, it's an encrypted connectivity and there's no data being shared between the devices, so if an AirTag connects to another iPhone, they won't get your data, neither will you get theirs. The way this works is there's a connection and it connects to all of the phones or Apple devices around you, and based on that it will be able to locate this small AirTag product. Now, Apple has just opened up to developers of third-party accessories like bicycles, headphones, etc., the infrastructure. All of the players in this market will start adding FindMy technology into their products. So there'll be more and more out and about. And as there are more and more products out in the wild, the search functionality in these devices will be a lot better. Now, Apple didn't launch it because of the situation we are in the world right now. There's a pandemic, not a lot of people go out. So the effectiveness of finding something is not as high as it would be if there would be millions and millions of people walking outside. But they can give this to third parties. It can be incorporated in your bag, it can be incorporated in your wallet, in your bicycle, in your scooter, and whatever you want. And those devices will already be around. Now, if they don't work 100%, then you can't really find them. That doesn't matter because that's not Apple's problem, that's the third party's problem. But since those devices are already out and about, once AirTags gets launched, it'll be more popular. It'll be able to find a lot more devices to connect to, so it'll be easier and more effective to find your wallet or your bag or whatever you want because of the other devices already being out there. So I think Apple's playing the smart game. Apple wants to build the ecosystem. Apple wants lots and lots of products to be already out there before they introduce their own, so their own works better and is more effective. That's my 2 cents on this. If you check your FindMy application now with iOS 14.5 and iOS 14.3, all the way back to iOS 14.3, you will be able to see a new tab in the FindMy application called Items. And you can add your special FindMy items in there, let that be a bag or bicycle, whatever you want. If you check Apple's website, you see all the information there. I think this is Apple's grand plan. Get everybody using it with other devices, other products, and once they launch AirTags, it will be a lot more effective and they will have better results and better satisfaction. That's what Apple's always been about, satisfaction. So guys, let me know if you think this is the reason. Hit me down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. And until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell, leave a comment if you want. Stay safe and hang loose.